Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a 5-in-1 silicone protection set for your Meta Quest 3. So this is absolutely great to protect that device. So once it arrives, it's going to come in these boxes. I have two different colors here. I have an orange one and a black one. So you kind of get to pick whether you want a pop of fun color or you just want the black one, which is just a standard kind of cool look. Once you open it up, you are going to get a user manual that tells you how to put everything on. It's pretty self-explanatory. We're going to go over all that here in the video. So now let's cover the ones on the device itself. So first off, as you can see, I have the orange one on here. It's just a lot of bright, a lot of fun color. The front silicone piece goes over the front, which keeps it from getting scratched or marks on it. They have obviously the holes cut out for all the cameras and the buttons down here at the bottom, the charging dock station, all the breathing holes. Super easy to put this in and slide into place. Just pop off your side panels here. Put them in position and then pop these right back on and you're good to go. Now, in addition to that, it does have a nice little lens cover on the back, which is removable. You just pop that off, and that's going to keep you from scratching the lenses or getting dust on them or anything like that. It's just another little safety kind of protection on it. Then the third thing you're going to get is this nice silicone eye rest that is really soft because of the silicone. It's a little bit softer than the default cushion that comes with this. And so you can put it on there. Also does a really good job of blocking out all the light, especially the nose piece here, because it has that silicone. It really can form to your nose to block out any light leakage, which is great for watching movies and things like that. Now, as far as what you get on the Joy-Cons, you're also going to get a nice silicone wrap here. Once again, also blocked out for all the various buttons. As you can see, this one I took off the wrist strap. This one I left it on so you can see how it looks, whether you want the wrist strap or not. It's kind of optional to you. I haven't been using it just because these little hand bands, they have these Velcro here, so you can make it as tight as you want. And it's super comfortable. You don't drop it or anything like that. It stays in place, and I feel it's more secure than the wrist strap. You can obviously use both if you wish. It also has a silicone little texture button cover for your joystick, and it's easy to put on and remove. Once again, it just slides in place. Now, because this is all silicone, if it does get dirty or something like that, just take a wet cloth and it will wipe up and clean. Now, I do want to note, while you can utilize this and place it on the charging docks with no problem, if you do use wireless charging on your Joy-Cons here, these will not wireless charge through the silicone, so you do have to remove that. But if you don't use wire charging, then it's not going to bother you at all. And like I said, it also has a black version here. And that's what this one looks like. It's just, I like the one that has more of a pop of color of the orange, but they do have two color options for you if you wish. And another thing on the Joy-Cons, it does have this nice little kind of grip here, which just makes it a little bit more comfortable to hold in the palm of your hand. But overall, if you're looking for a protection kit for your Meta Quest 3, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.